Our next breaking update is from Kolkata, where the outrage over what's happened, remember, still continues. The doctors are staging a protest as we speak, and the junior doctors also expected to submit later a memorandum to the governor. We also have Shreya, who's joining us live from that very spot where you have these protests that continue. Shreya, take it away. Please speak to them, and please understand that what is it that is still, creating so much of an outrage. The government says we've done enough. We've got a bill. The bill has, now gone to the president. They say we are taking action in the entire case, but clearly it hasn't worked.
Well, of course, we see it's not over, and you can see how a massive rally is led by doctors at this point in time. Not only junior doctors, but look at the senior doctors who are present here. They're marching towards Raj Bhavan at this point in time. They're saying that they want to submit a deputation to the governor. Let me quickly go across to these protesters and try to understand. You're going to submit a deputation to the governor? You're going to submit a deputation to the governor?
Regarding quick investigation, quick detection of the culprit and the person who are under this culprit, who are protecting culprit, total system. এটা একটা জনগণের আন্দোলন, এটা মানুষের আন্দোলন, একে মানতে হবে এবং যত দেরি হবে আমাদের আন্দোলন আরো তীব্রতর হবে।
But we see that the government is saying that they have done enough. They have also brought a new bill.
আমি চাচ্ছি আরো তাড়াতাড়ি করুন, এক্সপ্লেনাইজ করুন। সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্টের যে রিপ্রেজেন্টেশন গভর্নর, অর্থাৎ গভর্নরকে আমরা চাপ দিচ্ছি যাতে সিবিআইকে করুক যে তাড়াতাড়ি একটা সমাধান করতে, নাহলে আমরা মানুষরা অধৈর্য হয়ে আছে, আমরা ফার্স্টেডেড, আমাদের ঘুম কেড়ে নিয়েছে। এটা একটা বাঙালি জাতি, ভারতবর্ষের নারী জাতির প্রতি অসম্মান, এটা আমরা মেনে নেব।
So you can see they're clearly telling us that they do not feel that the government has done enough. They want to create more pressure. They want the governor's intervention. They're going to submit a deputation to that of the governor. Clearly we see that the state government had passed the Amarajita bill. But look at the huge crowd over here. Look at how both the junior and the senior doctors have hit the street. Only one word you can hear in the background, justice for Arjikar. They're saying that it has been going on for such a long time. Only one arrest so far, while no arrest have been made. They say that they want judicial inquiry. They say they want the governor's intervention, and they're positive that more than one people is involved in the case, and all the issues have to be brought to the court.
All right, Shreya, for the moment, thank you for getting us all those reactions and that big story, dramatic images of that protest that continues. And clearly, you have doctors who believe that the state has not done enough to ensure that they are safe.